Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ayman from the Tofayel Creations YouTube channel. And friends, this is my new channel and this is the first video of my new channel, and I hope that all of you will support me. So without any delay, let's get started. But at first, I am requesting you to like this video and subscribe to my new YouTube channel and press the notification bell so you can never miss another update. So today we are going to make a concept named InstaRoom concept. So you can tell that InstaRoom concept is the name of today's concept which we are going to make it. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, then what are you waiting for? Just click on the link provided in the description below and follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions to ask me, you can ask me on Instagram and I will try my best to reply you. So without any delay, let's get to the tutorial. So guys, we are going to edit this pic. So at first we need to click a photo like this, and now we just have to go our first step and we have to erase the background of it. So how can we erase our background? So we need an application named background eraser, as you can see in my screen. So the app link is given in the description below. You can go and check it out and download the APK. Okay, and after that let's open our background eraser application and select our photo. Then let's just erase our photo. Now I'm fast forwarding the video because if we don't fast forward it, the video will be too long. And friends, if you want any video about that how to erase background perfectly, then I will have a video on it. Just what do you need to do? Comment me on the comment section box and tell me that you need a video on that how to erase background perfectly, then I will have a video of it. Okay, then now I am just erasing and fast forwarding the video. So guys, our erasing is almost done. Now we have to open Picsart and open this background. Let me tell you that this background link is given in the description below. And after opening it, you just have to add some photos. We have just erased the photo right now. Okay, then now we have just open and add this photo with this backgrounds perfectly. So guys, after adding our model PNG, then we just have to add two screenshots. First of all, you need to crop caption side. Okay, so we just need to adjust our screenshot after cropping it. Then we just have to set the blending mode into multiply to match colors. So adding the caption side of our screenshot, then we just have to add another screenshot of our Instagram profile name. Okay, at the same method we just need to crop this and clip the blending mode into multiply. After keeping it we are all done in Picsart application. Then we just need to save this picture in our gallery by going draw tool, because if we save this picture directly from Picsart, then the pixel goes too short. So that's why we are going to save our pictures by draw tool. Okay, after the works are all done, then we are going to let's go to Adobe Lightroom. So after opening Adobe Lightroom, we have to add a preset and our photo which we have made in Picsart, and the preset link is given in the description below. You can go and check this out. Okay, so after downloading the preset, we will copy the settings of that preset and we will paste it to our Picsart app. So as we are copying the settings, and then now we will go to our pic and we will paste this. Okay, so as you can see, our pic is looking very realistic. The colors are matched. Okay, so we just have to use this Adobe Lightroom to match our colors with the background and with the model. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, these colors are just adjustment by this pic, only this pic, and it could not be adjusted in your pic. So you can adjust the settings as positively or negatively, your temperature, exposure, contrast, and highlight, shadows, but don't adjust the settings of split tone, because that's the real thing. Okay, so after done it, export our photo, and that's it for today. So our photos are ready. Okay, so guys, how was it? Did you loved it? So friends, like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, edit your pics, and tag me on Instagram so I can also see your editings. So friends, this is for today. See you in the next video soon. Until goodbye.